I tried a new workflow with MadMapper and image generation, and this is how it came out. So this is the boxes and setup for Bob Marley here today. My camera here is just looking towards those boxes. This is connected with an HDMI display output. This is going to HDMI capture. So here in MadMapper, I go to outputs, set my video output to this display I'm going to use. Then I click full screen with video. Let's go to Tools, Space Scanner. There we go. Now is the best time if we want to reposition our projection, but as we can see, we are just fine. So MadMapper is throwing a bunch of lines and shapes and capturing that with a camera and trying to calibrate the point of view or what the projector is seeing. Now we can save a PNG. This is what the projector is saying. Pretty blurry, no problem, we can fix that. Okay, before we do anything funky, remember this is a scan of the projection. So ideally, this could just sit on top of this projection. Let's try. So the scan snaps to reality. I can see that. Let me try something very easy to start. Warp. Reality is supposed to warp. Oh, look at that. I had to do no mapping at all. Absolutely no edge bending, shifting and stuff. I have just laid over the scan. So imagine what you can do with just some effects. But me and you are crazy, so we're going to try something even awesome about that. So this is the scan, came out of MadMapper's Space Scanner. Nothing too optimistic, but we are going to make something better to use. So we had this came out as Space Scanner. We have cleaned it up and made this mask, exact same resolution. This is Microsoft Bing Image Creator. This is free. This works with DALL, supposed to be good. So let's start with changing the aspect ratio. Oh, this is horizontal 6:9. Okay, we're going to fix it later. I'm going to add the reference image, then ask make. Meantime, let's go to Illustrator and export an outline version of it. Let's try the same prompt on the Leonardo AI. This time, let's do with blue. And we already have one generated. So let's drop our outline. This is our outline. We will try to get all the Bing and Leo photos aligned to this outline. Let's drop all of them here. Back to MadMapper. Let's remove our thing. Let's drop all the photos we just made. Let's select the first one, add the mapping slice, and there you go. Now let's drop all our AI generated later manipulated photos and play on this slice, and let's see what happens. Okay, we have one look This came out okay. Oh, I like this. So I'm going to save this on a queue. Let's add next and previous. Now we have our complete setup ready and we are ready with a controller. Let's play the music.